All right, today I'm going to talk about keeping your hair healthy and strong. All right. Now, the effects of having healthy hair is that having healthy hair can improve your mood. Naturally, whenever you have your hair done, or just whenever you feel the texture of your hair and you feel the hair from the roots to the tips of your hair, and you feel that it's healthy, it's vibrant, it's strong, it improves your mood. You feel good about yourself. You feel that you can do anything, that you can accomplish anything because your hair is healthy. And on the contrary, when you have a bad hair day, and you look in the mirror and you see that your hair it's not working out and it's just not looking good, it affects the way you feel as well. You feel bad. You don't even feel like going out. So having healthy hair will definitely boost your confidence. It'll make you feel good about yourself. And it'll make you feel like you can accomplish anything that you set your mind to. So it's very important to have healthy hair. As a matter of fact, it affects every area of our lives, especially as women. Now, you might be wondering how often can you wash your hair? And for most people, you can wash your hair up to twice a week. Some people once, but up to twice a week. Now, why would you not want to overwash your hair? Overwashing your hair will cause it to dry out. It'll make it dry, it'll make it brittle, and it'll make it more easily and more prone to breakage because it's over dried. So washing your hair is good, but overdoing it has negative effects. Well, the thicker a person's hair is, the longer it can stay between washes. So if you have more coarse hair, if you have thicker, more coily hair, the longer you can stay between washes. Okay? Now, also, if your hair is more processed, maybe you have a perm in it, maybe you have coloring in it, you have something that makes it more processed, it's more treated or chemically treated, then the longer also that you can stay between washes. It's more natural, the less you want to go ahead and wash it. Because if it's thicker, it's like it's more there naturally there's more resilience into your hair. So you don't want to overwash it. Now you might be asking, what if I do have what if I do have oily hair? Now, if you know that your hair is more oily and your scalp is more oily and your scalp produces more oils for your hair, then you might need to wash it, and you feel like you might need to wash it on a more regular basis, maybe every day or every other day. Then you have to take special precautions when it comes to washing your hair. And you might be asking, what kind of precautions do I take? What do I do if I have to wash my hair every day or every other day? Well, you have to kind of watch the kind of shampoo that you use. There are many shampoos that people use that have like high sulfates, and more detergents and things in it that are harsh. And more or less strip the hair, and you don't want your hair stripped, especially since you're washing it so regularly. So you have to take precautions and make sure that you use shampoos that are either sulfate free or just they have less detergents and are less strenuous and less stripping for your hair and your scalp. And also, if you're washing your hair on a regular basis, even if you're washing your hair, period, you want to make sure that you use a good moisture-rich shampoo. And what are the effects of using a moisture-rich shampoo? It'll keep your hair more moisturized. So when you after washing with your shampoo that is less that has less detergents and is less stripping, then you want to soak your hair in a moisture rich shampoo. Let it stay for for a while, maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes, depending on your preference. Let it stay, and then let it soak into the hair, and then you wash it out. And another thing also that I would recommend also is for you to have a good, not only conditioner, but a good live-in conditioner, so that you can, after washing your hair and shampooing and stuff, make sure that you soak your hair in a nice, good live-in conditioner, so that your hair would be nicely moist, it would be nice and moisturized, and your scalp will be moisturized, so that even if you're blowing out your hair and go back to your styling that you do, your hair, your natural hair is conditioned, is clean, and is well moisturized, to avoid any bad effects. So today I just wanted to talk about healthy hair, keeping your hair healthy, keeping it washed, and how you have to go about washing. And this is a very important issue for men and women, for people in general, because when you have healthy hair, it affects your quality of life. So, thank you.